Got the first one of the day, a little one on the diver. See how much we can get. I reckon we can get a few. See you later, buddy. Yoo! Oh, yep.
Yeah, decent one. Let it go, Benny.
Yep. Oh! Send him home. Ooh. Good stuff, mate.
Alright guys, bit of kayaking today. Let's see if we can catch a cod for the end of the year. Let's go. Yoo.
Oh, yeah, yes. Go on, rat.
The big book got him.
Yeah, righto, copy. I'll put him in my net. Oh. Got the first one of the day, a little one on the diver. See how much we can get. I reckon we can get a few. See you later, buddy. Yoo! Oh. Yep, yep, yep. There we go, fish of around 50 centimetres. Oh, maybe a little bit shy, but how good. Good fun. Let him go. Yep. Oh,
Did he feel hooks?
Nah,
Might go again. That was a rat as well.
it was a ratatouille. I shit myself.
I could tell.
Hi! It was the first cast after finding the ballista. How's that for a luck?
Rightio, Millsy.
There we go.
Bit of release.
Bit of release footage. This will look good in the clear water. Stick her in the back. Oh, yep.
Yeah, decent one. After I did a... Oh yeah, she's alright.
Ready? See the net?
We'll see what we can do.
Did you get a picture of this on Sammy?
There you go, Sammy. About a 50 or something.
Yeah,
Good fish, mate.
Pretty good.
Send him home.
Very happy.
Ooh, good stuff, mate. Where is it?
Oh, no.
Get tied on now, Sammy! That's the rule! That's the rule!
She's rusty as all hell.
There's no way you're doing this. I don't feel bad, you know, if something happens.
Oh, he's probably going to hit his head, honestly. Oh, he's got it. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Go, 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 go.
Yes! Look at the water he's taking.
I know. couldn't get down the rapids, too rocky, dangerous. So we've got a kayak, we've got a nice big drop. Let's see how we go. Look at that, that's perfect.
Oh, I missed the best bit. Boofs. Yes. I'm just choosing the fresh water. Oh, yes, yes! Oh, I shouldn't act like an idiot. Oh, I'm finally on the board.
I'm not taking a picture for you.
Huh?
I'm not taking a picture for you.
Because we're on the same hole?
Yeah, I don't know why you turned around.
Oh, come on, Millsy.
We got halfway there, it took a while.
Fuck, he's a good fish. Look at him. Millsy's not impressed. Rightio, finally on the board. Taking me a little while. Pretty nice chunky Murray cod though. We'll take him. What do you reckon size-wise, Sammy?
Whoa. Let her go, Benny.
Rightio, she's off. Oh, sprayed us.
There she go, Ben. New and improved.
At least it still works. At least it's not catastrophic. Yep, I'm on. Got two.
Hey, I told you it was a 222.
This is a rat. That's pretty funny how that worked. 2, 2 and 2. How's he hooked himself here? That's him, guys. Nice little Murray cod. Straight back in the drink. Rightio, well that basically sums up our first kayak trip of the summer. There's heaps more kayak based videos coming out, so hope you enjoyed this one and there's more to come. Thanks guys.